It's a really nice program. I enjoyed a lot, and it's very nice to know what are all the benefits we are getting because of this forgiveness. Very nicely explained by Dr. Usha Vastare, and I am so happy to know that by forgiving, you become a very stronger person, better person, and evolve into a very good person. I am Savitri Chellappa.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. there are so many areas in my life where I have to apply these techniques so that I get more freedom from so-called suffering and constant negativity, So I got very nice tips. Hopefully I'll benefit and come back and thank Madam for this. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for me to understand the power of forgiveness and I think this session since morning helped me to discover the possibilities of looking inward, the potential for bringing peace to oneself with the power of your ability to think differently, to make the strategic shift in thinking. And I thank all the organizers for this event for putting together this wonderful workshop. I hope to attend more of these in the future and get the power of get the tools and the techniques that are required for one to be at the state of good health, happiness, and positive thinking. Thank you so much.
My name is Nagaraj. So this session was like mainly specifically like because of me it happened. That's what doctor also told. So I want to thank Maharaj Pankaj Maharaj, who is from Kanpur, like Kanpur Ramakrishna Ashram secretary. And like last 1 month when I go to the Kanpur Ashrama, my condition was little bit like I was totally upset and I was suffering. But now after this session, I feel more comfortable and I can have lot of faith in myself. I want to thank Dr. as well and also the Ramakrishna Mission who take care of me very well in the last 1 month.
My name is Sheshadri. This Yoga Kshema conducted this forgiveness workshop, which helped me a lot in terms of the awareness of what is forgiveness. That is one thing. And apart from that, the tools that that we can implement for this forgiveness. It was an excellent session. I enjoyed a lot and took away certain of the things most of the things that I can implement in my life for my wellness. Thank you.
I'm Vani Manjunath. So the experience I had in this section was a lot of deep insight in terms of forgiveness, not just as a word or it is told just one time. So I got to know that it is an ongoing process, which was a very deep insight, and also scientifically that relationship which was explained was more convincing for us to get into this act of forgiveness, and it was well structured and said by all the speakers. So I thoroughly had a good learning session. Even though it was a long time, I did not feel it was for a long time.
I have come for this session for the first time. I'm a first timer. While there have been a lot of insights that I have learned in terms of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a word which is very light on mouth and heavy on heart. So it needs a lot of effort to forgive someone, or it needs a lot of effort so that you have been forgiven by someone. So there's a lot of learning that I take back home, and I think there are a lot of thoughts to ponder on.
Today's workshop about the practicing forgiveness is really an eye-opener for me. Even though we used to talk about forgiveness, maaf kar do, chalo aage badho, but the way it has been explained today, which is catering to the people who understand it in a spiritual way, the people who understand in a scientific way, this particular workshop caters to all of them. So basically what I understood about practicing forgiveness is, if you want, that is you, if you want to end your suffering, so this is the only way to you have to practice the forgiveness. And by ending the suffering, you are actually helping yourself for evolvement, and that is what makes a human being happy. So the key takeaway for me is to end your suffering and to evolve as a human being, and to make yourself happy, you have to practice forgiveness. Also, the another very important aspect which I got from Usha auntie today was to bring in that self-discipline in yourself. You have to really love something to do. If you love something to do, then automatically that self-discipline will come into you, and you will be on track of whatever you wanted to achieve. So I think it's good that it was my great pleasure to attend today's workshop, and I hope to see this kind of workshops attending in future, and help me in better human being. So thank you so very much.
Thank you very much for the mind-blowing and the heart-touching session. I am Dr. Shobha Venkat, gynecologist at Manipal Hospital and Cloud9 Hospital. And the beauty of this workshop was a touch of both spirituality and the science, which went on enjoying throughout the session. And ultimately, Madam made us realize in a very simple way, which is given in Vedantas in a very simple way for us, that we have to just stimulate our own divine qualities like kindness, love, affection, and heal yourself, and give the importance for your own self, so that you can have a healthy and happy life. Thank you very much.
I have known Amma from the last 3 years, and this workshop was a very unique one. It is one of its kind. It's been really practical tips that she has given to how to handle our lives. Somewhere we were halfway in between, trying to actually find ways how to forgive in certain areas. Work-wise, yes, but on personal level, I think I really got some good ideas from her how to handle my life better. I'm sure all of us will be happier with trying to implement these in our personal lives. And one, on a personal note, I would like to add, she has been instrumental in changing the lives of 96 teachers in my school. She has been doing programs with my teachers for the last 2 years. Every second Saturday she's been doing sessions, and there is a total mind shift in the way they're thinking, and this is the way to a better world. We really need more people like Dr. Usha Vastare in our lives. May God bless her with a long life and good health. Thank you.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಸುಧಾ ಅಶೋಕ್. ಕಳೆದ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಡನಾಟ. ನಾನು 8 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫರ್ಗಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಮರೆಯೋಂಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಆವಾಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಖಂಡಿತ ಮರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಧಾ, ಆದರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಫರ್ಗಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಫರಿಂಗಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ದೇವರು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆದುಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರ್ತು. ಕೆಲವು ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಗತ ಜೀವನದ ನೆನಪು ಮರೆಯಲಾಗದೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಲಾರದೆ ತೊಯ್ದಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮನ ಆ ದಿನ, ಮರೆಯಲಾಗದುದನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬಹುದೆಂದು ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ದಿನ, ಹರುಷದ ಹೊನಲಲ್ಲಿ ತೂಗಾಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಇಂದು ಈ ನನ್ನ ಮನ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮದ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಇದರಿಂದಾಯಿತು ನನ್ನ ಬದುಕು ನಂದನವನ, ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ನಿನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಮನದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯ ನಮನ ನಮನ ನಮನ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ವೀಣಾ ರಾವ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಜಡಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್, and at that time I was shattered. There was no future in my life. So I was full of hatredness, anger. I don't know why it is like that. My frustration might have what I can say, showed it in the way of hatredness. So after 1 year I attended Yogakshema workshop. And one more thing I wanted to say, since from 1 year I couldn't sleep even a single minute, even in spite of taking medicine. But after attending Yogakshema workshop, unknowingly I slept for 2 to 3 hours. Then I came to know that something is there. So I started attending Yogakshema workshop oftenly, regularly. And at that time, when I shared my personal life to Dr. Usha Vastare, we are affectionately calling her as Amma. She said that instead of focusing what you don't have, focus on what you have. And whatever the events, whatever the circumstances, it is only and only you are responsible, nothing else, no external factors. So it made me to introspect myself. And in that way, I attended one forgiveness workshop before this. It made me to clear off many things, many persons, many circumstances. And it cleared my mind. Now I am living like this. It is just because of Yogakshema. I am really grateful to Yogakshema. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Sheila Nitin. I started my journey with Yogakshema in 2013. I got an opportunity to attend many workshops on different topics. During this period, I feel myself transformed in a better way. ನನ್ನರಲ್ಲೇ ತುಂಬ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ದಿಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್ that I actively involved in Yogakshema activities. I have attended many workshops, but especially this interpersonal relationship and forgiveness workshop impact a lot in my life. My quality of life has been improved a lot. It doesn't mean that after attending so many workshops, there is no challenges in my life, but now I can handle these challenges very smoothly. I can deal with difficult people also very smoothly. My relationship with my family members and other people, with my relatives, my surroundings has improved a lot. It has become better and better. Due to some challenge in my life, I was feeling guilty myself. I was blaming myself. After attending this forgiveness workshop, I came out of this feeling. It doesn't, in this Yogakshema, I am learning to live happily and positively. And I am enjoying this path of learning. Earlier, I used to tell everybody, whenever I give my introduction, that I am part of Yogakshema family. But now, this Yogakshema is my family only. And I am become Yogakshema. I am grateful to Yogakshema family for everything. Thank you.
My name is Lalita Jaju. I'm a yoga therapist. Came in contact with Yogakshema and Usha auntie for her work, beautiful work what she's doing. And last many years now we are with Yogakshema, learning so much. And I would say how many workshops I have attended, every time it's a new experience. There's something new to look at, something new to learn. And I'm so happy this journey is so joyous. And I hope all of us who are attending the workshops will surely gain a lot of benefits out of it. Yeah, forgiveness workshop is such a wonderful thing that, we had a lot of misconceptions about forgiveness, but the way Auntie takes it, through neuroscience concepts, which gives us, that confidence, yes, things will work, but of course, with patience and our willful efforts. Thank you.
Namaste, myself is Geetanjali Mundada. First time I'm attending the auntie's workshop. I was knowing about the auntie from my brother-in-law, Vasanji. And this is the first time I am able to attend the workshop. This is the really a good opportunity I got to attend it. And it was really eye-opener for me because in the day-to-day life we do a lot of mistakes and keep suffering ourselves. And at the end of the day we keep thinking like what went wrong and what we should do to improve this. So particularly this workshop gave me the quite open idea, how to deal with the day-to-day situations and come out of it. And hopefully in the future, whenever I go through this kind of situation, I would really go through the aunties, what she said, and try to implement that things in my life, so that in the future I'll be cope up with this kind of situation more properly, and I will not hurt anybody again in the future. So it was a really good one for me, and thank you so much for giving me opportunity to attend this workshop. Thank you so much.